Simvoly Website Builder Honest Review. Watch before using. Simvoly is a drag-and-drop website builder designed to streamline the creation of professional websites, e-commerce stores, and high-converting sales funnels. It's ideal for small businesses, solopreneurs, and digital marketers seeking an all-in-one platform that combines website building, funnel creation, and e-commerce without needing technical skills. One standout feature is its funnel builder, which allows users to create optimized sales funnels with templates for every stage of the customer journey. Additionally, Simvoly includes built-in A/B testing, analytics, and lead capture tools, giving users powerful insights to boost conversions. Simvoly's design interface is intuitive and user-friendly. You start by choosing from a range of beautifully crafted templates tailored to various industries. Customizing these templates is straightforward. Its drag-and-drop editor ensures complete control over your site's layout, colors, and fonts. Mobile responsiveness is automatically optimized, ensuring your website looks great on any device. The e-commerce functionality is robust, supporting product listings, secure payment gateways, and inventory management. It also integrates with popular payment systems like Stripe and PayPal. One of Simvoly's key strengths is its simplicity compared to competitors like WordPress or Shopify. However, simplicity can also be a drawback for advanced users who may find the platform's customization options somewhat limited. While the platform covers the essentials, it lacks the extensive app marketplaces found in more established competitors, which may be a deal breaker for businesses requiring highly specialized features. Another downside is its pricing. Simvoly's plans start at $18 per month, which may feel steep for those just starting out, though it's still more affordable than hiring a web developer. Who should use Simvoly? If you're a business owner or marketer looking to build a professional site, set up a small online store, or create a sales funnel without diving into coding, Simvoly is an excellent option. However, if you require advanced integrations, heavy customization, or large-scale e-commerce operations, you might find its capabilities a bit restrictive. Overall, Simvoly delivers on its promise of simplicity and efficiency, making it a solid choice for beginners and small-scale entrepreneurs. Its streamlined interface, quality templates, and built-in tools ensure you get a polished site or funnel without breaking a sweat.